Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this ThermoLife Heated Vibration Red Light Knee Brace. This is a great product if you have any knee issues that you would like to be solved. You can look up the benefits of red light therapy and infrared light therapy. As we open it up, here is the brace itself. It's also got this long strap here. You can basically put this thing over your shoulder and also help with any issues with your shoulder. So you can go ahead and pull this through. It's got little Velcro right there, so it sticks on like so. Here are the LED panels right here. This is where the red light and infrared light will shine. So here is a little control panel. It has USB-C for powering it up, power button right there. You've got plus and minus, mode button. So it's pretty easy. You'll feel it snap into place, and there it is. And then you got the power button down here. Press that. There's even a remote control, also powered by USB-C. Here is that included USB-C cable. They've also been so generous to include this mini keychain gift here. This is a red light flashlight, so it basically does the same thing that these lights do here, but this is a portable keychain version. You can use it on any part of your body whenever you like. And there are those red lights. So it has fully open, that has basically all the wavelengths. It also has 630, 660, and 850 nanometers. It's on relax mode. I can push mode again. Now there's a need mode, knock, intensity mode. And it looks like there's 4 levels. So this thing can really start massaging hard when you get to the 4th level. So right now I'm putting the brace on. I just slid my leg through those 2 loops and tighten it. And you can see that red light's on right there. Just turn the massage on. I can feel it getting warm, which is nice. And you can just sit, relax, do whatever you want while you have this brace on. Overall, I highly recommend this red light therapy vibration heated knee brace from ThermoLife. Thanks for watching.